Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get rainbow skin in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys, where I have joined Dress to Impress, and first of all, I'm going to go to the color selection area. Okay, right here, and then if we want to get rainbow color, we need to go to the color wheel, and then we can go to the wheel, and then you can play around with the color like this to create rainbow color. Okay, and then I'm just going to exit, but I'm not gonna close this skin color menu, so we can still use it here to create rainbow color. Okay, that's so cool, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to get rainbow color in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!